quickest, easiest way to dress up your porch is to grab hanging baskets and just move on. You get your wife for Mother's Day, you buy them for yourself for Father's Day and say, hey, I got my Father's Day gift. You buy these suckers and you throw them up like it's no one's business. And you got instant pizzazz. It's that day again today, guys. One of my favorite days of the year. I love this day. Come to Home Depot and find flowers, stock up, and make the yard amazing. But look at all these amazing arrangements that Olson's greenhouse provides. Like these, forget what these are called here. Look, you just grab this sucker right here, put that, look at that. It'll go right on top of a fence right there. Got your wave petunias, all your hanging baskets. Amy should be over here looking for things. She always is very, very vigilant on finding. Wow, look at that. Would you say that you're being vigilant?
Sure.
Okay. Let's see what Pal's up to. Even Pal showed up for a round of this. Huh?
Hi.
So, is there anything you need to say?
Nope.
You're right. What do you mean, no, there's not anything?
Leave me alone.
All right, so I need to tell you something really quick about this stuff, okay? This is a sedum tile, okay? So see this? It's about a 12 by 12 tile. This stuff's evil. Never buy this stuff, okay? Don't buy this stuff. Like, oh yeah, it's $14.98, no big deal. This will be good ground cover. This will multiply and replenish the earth all by itself. Just this one package, okay? This will ruin your whole yard, and it'll turn into about 50 times this much in about 3 years.
Oh my gosh, you're so annoying.
Why did you show up? Why'd you come? If you're not gonna be attentive. What?
I never signed up for this.
You did too sign up for it. You signed up. So these are self-watering plants right here, folks. You don't, you're not gonna get anything better than this right here. A self-watering plant. How on earth does that work? Look at that. She's just like, I'll take one of these and take one of these.
That's free because we have an orthodontist appointment, that's all.
Oh, that's why the boy came, huh? He has to go get his teeth straightened. Let me see those pearly whites, pal.
No.
Let me see them. Let me see them.
No.
Guard those with your life.
Okay.
Guard them with your life.
Oh, it's
Oh,
awesome.
look at those. Those are cool.
We have those.
Those lilies? Yeah, we do have those. So the problem I've got with these right here, these are perennials. So I had a friend of mine send me some of these lilies. And they're awesome. Except for right when they get about to here, they grow up at my house. And then they develop a bud right here, and it's about to spring out and flower. The deer come around and chomp off the bud. Happened last year. I was like, oh, those are about to flower. And then I come out the next morning, boom, all the buds are eaten. But they're cool. These come back every year. You just cut them down in the fall, and then they come back. And then look, they're kind of like a spring bloomer. Wow, look at that. Keep cool for hours. It's a mission, kind of like a climate control something. You gotta be kidding me, a cooling towel? So that's the kind of cooling towel that you'd see Alan Hain using. Oh, there he is.
Oh, wait.
Stop.
We are rolling. I am with
That's what you get. You being a roughhousing little bugger. You did that.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, I fell down because that little bugger roughhoused me. You did that.
I was trying to walk. Oh, careful.
He did it.
I was trying. Dad was following me, and I was trying to walk away, and he tripped over it. I had no part in that.
Oh, bull. I seriously just fell right on my butt. That sucked. She's getting a few perennials. She's getting some dahlias, which, I don't know. Look, that broke. It's okay. It broke, but it fell over and broke.
I hate them.
Look at those. Those are cool.
These are very cool.
These are of the Proven Winners variety. The brand Gardener's Trust. Isn't that the truth? All you got to do is slap a PW on the label, and it's a winner. Okay, quite literally a proven winner. Look how many freaking cool things there are. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, geraniums, aim. Can't go wrong with planting geraniums. They're a crowd favorite. Pal, don't make me come after you. Hey, where are you heading? No, you're not going to the car. Like he's trying to sneak away. Oh, cool. I love this stuff for ground cover. This stuff is awesome too. It's called Creeping Jenny. You plant this stuff and it will multiply and replenish the earth as well, but not as quickly. Tick seed. Look at that tick seed there. Pretty good stuff. And the possibilities are endless, okay? It's all about what's up in here, your imagination on how to make things look awesome. Hawaiian Punch. Now that is a marketing scam right there, okay? No, oh, wait a minute. Now that is a marketing genius. Just label it Hawaiian Punch. You get people to catch their eye. It's just fantastic. Roughhousers in the Home Depot causing a mess. Get that boy out of here. Get him into the car. Snapdragons, huh? Okay, are you gonna get flats and flats and flats?
I want bigger. We have a shorter growing season this year, and so I've got to start with bigger stuff.
Why do you think you have a shorter growing season?
This is the latest we've ever done. Now, is it due to our laziness? Ow!
Look, there he is.
That's a shade.
That's a shade. You can always tell with a shade because they always have these dark leaves, okay? Dark leaves. Can you do like something fancy?
I am terrible on camera. We all know that. That's why you are the star. That's why Connor's the star. I am definitely camera shy. I could never be on reality TV.
Whatever. You could be on Survivor.
And if Survivor's out there.
I won't be on Survivor.
Okay, we have 8 pots.
We have 8 pots.
8 pots.
There's good dahlias outside. Ones that are not broken.
These are 2 of the pots. No, you broke them. We're taking the
No,
ones
I don't want the broken one.
Well, you broke them. We're taking the broken ones home.
No.
I don't think they're even that broken. It is your fault. Okay.
No.
So
It was Pal's fault.
These are 2 of
He
our
was
pots.
chasing me.
No.
So I need to take this filter off right here like this. Holy crap! Who put that on there so flippin' tight? Stop! Seriously, people, don't put the filter on that tight. You need a half or a quarter turn. Quarter turn at most. Look at that. She says these are one of her favorite things this year. She said they thrive in sun and shade.
Well, that's what it
This
says
stuff
on the
has the
tag.
potential to be evil.
I know, but do you remember how cute it was in that pot when they all bloomed?
Oh, as long as we put it in a pot, it'll be fine.
It's gonna go in a pot.
Yeah.
It's going in a pot. Where do you want them?
It's freaking cool. Look at that, 0 plastic.
That is
It's
awesome.
Eco Grande.
That is way cool.
Eco Grande, right there.
Heart shade to shade.
Proven Accents, Hippo White Polka Dot Plant.
These are very cute.
So what do? Just plant it, put it in there, and it's compost. Oh, compost ready right there, huh? It'd only take 4 million years to compost rather than 10 million. Okay, 10 million.
And then we'll have.
Oh, look at that trucker. He's like flying through parking lots.
Okay, we got to do these.
On Broadway?
No, for the pots. I
Oh,
love
are
these.
those the Dine and Dash?
Yep, I love these. Look at this one, has those cute little things in it.
The verbena is the best. These right here.
Okay, we have 9 pots.
9 pots. That would be 9 times 1.
I need 1 more window box. We have 3 window boxes. So
Look at that. Did you see that? She's got this all planned out. She's like, we need 1 here, 1 there, 1 here, 1 there. That is what you need in a woman, okay? Somebody that can plan everything out for you, who could just take charge, wears the pants.
that is total BS.
No, it's not.
Oh, that is such BS.
We need a woman to wear the pants in
That
this
is
relationship.
solid bull crap.
Well, let me go ask the boss.
That is solid bull crap. Okay,
Solid bullcrap, nothing.
1. Do we have, did the Luke
So you know when they say, oh, let me go ask the boss. That's the boss that needs to be go asked
That's my number
in
1.
my relationship, okay?
That
And
is-
she's like, that's my number 1 beef is when men say, let me go ask the boss. Well,
It's just
you're
a
the boss.
scapegoat
It's not a
to get out of
scapegoat,
something.
nothing.
It is. It's a scapegoat to get out of something.
That's lies.
That's what it is.
A scapegoat can get out of something.
It is.
Well, maybe we really want to do it, but we want to get the woman's approval.
Okay, these are perennials, right? Luke?
Yeah, but they never come back.
We need 3 more baskets. You gotta stop.
Why?
They're getting a very different idea of what our relationship looks like.
Oh, our relationship is solid goodness.
I would agree.
Solid goodness. Except for when we're fighting. Okay? Is there anything people should be aware of? Like in terms of how to pick stuff and...
I just like lots of color. That's the only thing I do. I like lots of colors.
Do you prefer lawn or annuals?
Oh, we know the answer to this.
What do you prefer? Nothing? Neither?
Eventually, I want the whole yard just to be self-reliant.
A condo? In
Maybe.
Florida?
Maybe. That may be what it looks like. That may be.
Or Alaska?
Yeah?
Look, somebody's trying to steal our carts.
Oh, go grab him. We need that cart. Nope, that's a no.
Petunias and marigolds. They're the best. We're getting petunias and marigolds. And I'm gonna make Amy plan everything. Olson's Greenhouse makes the best annuals ever.
I think let's go grab some small one-offs to fill in if we need to.
Yeah,
And that's
like
it.
flats upon flats upon
No,
flats.
nope.
Well, what's wrong with flats?
Nope. We just gotta make sure we have enough. We have 1.
She's like, no flats. Why are you getting all that?
This isn't mine.
Oh, but can we pretend like it's yours?
I know what we could do. We could buy one of these and then put ice in it and you could cold bath.
Oh, ice bath. Icebath.com, folks. You know where they're like, let's make a reel of me busting through the ice and getting in.
Do we want a lobelia around the edge or no?
I don't make the rules. I only follow them.
You actually-
No, I only follow the rules.
You actually make the
I don't
rules
make
and
them.
then you don't even follow them.
Nope. These are hydro planters. Okay? Save time, water plants, water reservoir, water less often.
Sold.
But I like to water every day, every
I know.
5 minutes.
I know. I do know this. I definitely.
I would turn the sprinklers on all day long.
We know this. We definitely know this.
I think we pretty well solidified what we're gonna buy. So we're gonna get all of this stuff right here. This, 1, 2, 3,
Until like the
4,
beginning of October.
5. We're getting a fair amount of stuff. And yes, it's expensive, but is it worth it?
Friday.
To me, yes. Very well worth it. Because I'm all about looks and vanity, okay? I'm all about vanity and looks. It's gonna be amazing. It's going to be freaking amazing, I tell you what. It's gonna be awesome. Look how much fun this is gonna be to plant all this, 1, 2, to look at it in the future, 3, to water it and fertilize it. Just the hours upon hours upon hours of work fertilizing it. That sounds amazing. So this is Mandy. She's from the Olson's greenhouse, and she's the one that makes all of the goodness and party happen, okay? She is amazing. She's just running around, sprucing things up, making it awesome. So Mandy from Olson's greenhouse is here helping us find stuff, pick out stuff, help us coordinate, but mostly Amy is doing that, which she is, I tell you, I'm lucky to have that woman. That is an awesome sight there, folks. That's the feeling of pure joy.
Okay, I've got a nut little shit. I just need a lock washer.
Those don't do anything. Lock washers don't do anything.
Yes, you do.
I watched a video on YouTube.
Don't believe everything you hear on YouTube.